How to delete all emails from a specific Gmail address. Have you had a problem with emails that came as promotions and are now there in your inbox? If you want to get rid of them, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it in a fast and efficient way. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open our Gmail account. When Gmail has opened, you will see a window like this one. Now we need to find the email from which we want to delete all emails. We'll type in one of the words to find it. I will delete all emails from the Duolingo address. However, those that have a keyword in the text also appear in the search. How can we avoid it? Opened one email. We will copy the address it came from. After that, we will type from and then 2 colons and paste the address we copied. When you click enter, only emails from the specified address will appear. Now simply select them all on this button and delete them by clicking on the trash icon located in the top menu. This is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.